Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do I reset my YouTube recommendations completely. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, first go to your profile and then click the your data in YouTube. Now, scroll down and go to your YouTube watch history. Now, if you don't want recommendations in your YouTube, make sure to turn that off. Now click pause. And after that, you can also delete your search history in YouTube. And now click the delete and select delete all time. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.